The determination of whether or not soil is contaminated is performed by soil sampling. We would advance soil probes into the ground using a hydraulic device. It's essentially a 2-inch core that can be advanced down as far as we need to. In this case, we're typically between ground surface and 20 to 25 feet below ground surface, where the waste fill within this neighborhood is located. The boring device is then extracted from the ground. A plastic sleeve within the boring is then cut open, and we would take a soil sample from within that core at the appropriate elevation. Submit those samples to an environmental laboratory, and in this case we're looking primarily for lead, arsenic, and a group of compounds known as PAHs, also known as polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, a byproduct of burning wood, coal, and oil. 4 feet from ground surface to 4 feet below, when that is removed, we will sample the sidewalls of the excavation to determine the limits of successful excavation. At the base of the 4 foot, if there is waste fill remaining, we do not have to sample that waste fill. We know that it is carrying some degree of contamination with it. We will automatically place a marker barrier, essentially consisting of a tarp or a snow fence. It will typically be orange in color, so that in the future, should somebody excavate deeper than the 4 foot level, they will encounter this barrier, and it will be a clean layer between the waste fill and the clean backfill that will be placed on top of it. The waste fill deeper than 4 feet will not move. I can't stress that enough. Where it is, it will remain. It does not migrate in the subsurface. It does not come back up to the surface.